Hello students, the question is from computer organization. Fine, the question is given as consider a single issue processor with an order to 5-stage pipeline and with the following characteristic. First characteristic is given as the read and the write should not happen in the same cycle, means after written only the read should happen. Then it does not have a bypassing of forwarding hardware, means print forwarding is not allowed. Okay, then instruction including loads and stores spend only one cycle in the memory stage. Okay. And again some more instructions are given as register indirect addressing, which is indicated by parenthesis. Okay, so parenthesis, wherever the parenthesis is used, the register indirect addressing. Then 2 is the displacement addressing, which is indicated as an integer offset from a register indirect value. Okay, so the instruction is given as load word T0 $T1. Okay, so wherever the parenthesis is used, this will be what? Register indirect addressing. Okay, and this will be the displacement addressing. Fine, so this is add $T2 $T2 $T0. Okay, third statement is load word $T0 for $T1. Fourth statement is add $T1. Okay, means add $1 to T1 and store in T1. Then add T2 $T2 comma $T0, means T0 T2 added and put in the T2, and then we have to subtract what? $T3 and $T1 and T0. Okay, means whatever stored in this one and whatever stored in the T0 we have to subtract and put in T3. Okay, so yep, done. So now what we have to do, how many stall cycles do the instruction occur? So now the question comes, what do you mean by stalls? Okay, so it is a kind of a data hazard. Okay, and now what is data hazard then? The data hazard is any condition in which either the source or the destination operands of an instruction pipeline. Okay, so whenever this kind of operation happens, the operation get delayed. So this type of thing is called as a pipeline stalls. So there are many reasons of pipeline stalls. Okay, so one reason can be, it may be in the delay in the availability of the instruction. Then if there is a miss in a cache, then if it is a required instruction to be fetched from the main memory, if it is required to fetch some instruction from the main memory, then also stall occurs. Okay, so in this question we have to calculate the number of stalls. Okay, so just check first two condition, 1 and 2. Here 1 and 2 is resulting into stall. Why? Because here simultaneously read and write operation is happening. We are writing this value and then reading this value. Okay, so because once it should complete it, then it should be stored in T2. Okay, so due to this 1 and 2, there is one stall. Similarly, due to 2 and 3, because again it is dependent on the second statement, so the second stall. And again similarly with the 3 and 4. Okay, with third and fourth, again there is a third stall. Okay, so there are 3 stalls in this question, in this particular given instructions. Fine, so the answer is 3. So which option is matching? D. So the answer will be D. Thank you.